Fort Lauderdale, Diamond, Platinum, Silver, Gold, Alaska, MVP, and SkyTeam Elite Plus. You're welcome aboard on the Sky Priority Lane for Fort Lauderdale. Zone 1, please, on the Sky Priority Lane. Zone 1, Fort Lauderdale.
That's a lot. That's like Orlando. Smile. Get a lot of pictures?
There's TV. Isn't the car? Isn't the car? And not a lot.
They actually they do call first class and then they call status.
With their seatbelts securely fastened, all carry-on items stowed. Seat backs and tray tables in their upright and locked position. And at this time, it's also necessary for all of your electronic devices to be off. So if it does turn off, you need to turn it off at this time. We'll let you know when it's safe to use in the air. My name is Lorraine, and I'll be your flight leader on today's flight, assisted by 2 other Atlanta-based flight attendants, 1 Fort Lauderdale-based flight attendant, 1 Orlando-based flight attendant. Together, we're going to do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and comfortable flight. At this time, we'll ask you to share your attention with the monitors located throughout the cabin for a brief demonstration of the safety features of our Boeing 757 aircraft. After the presentation, your flight attendants will be walking through the cabin to assist you with any safety questions you may have. Now, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy your flight.
Welcome aboard, and thanks for flying with us. We're committed to making your flight safe and comfortable. So before we depart, we'll be showing a brief safety presentation. This information can help you if there's an emergency, so it's important to pay close attention, even if you are a frequent flyer.
All carry-on items should now be stored securely, either in an overhead bin or under the seat in front of you. And all aisles, exits, and bulkhead areas should be clear. Your mobile phones and other electronic devices should be turned off. Once airborne, we'll let you know when you can use approved electronic devices. But note, some items, such as phones, may not be used in flight at any time. You'll find a list of approved electronic devices in the in-flight information section of Sky Magazine. If this plane features Wi-Fi on board, internet access will be available while we're above 10,000 feet. 8 doors, 4 on each side, and 4 window exits over the wings. 6 doors have detachable slides that can be used as rafts. The 2 smaller doors behind the wings have detachable slides that can be used for flotation. 2 additional rafts are located in ceiling compartments near the 2 smaller doors behind the wings. All exits are clearly marked with an exit sign. However, if there is a loss of power and cabin visibility is reduced, lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you to an exit.
It's not just luxury, it's smarter than that. Yours are the shoulders that others depend on to be there.
Takeoff flight attendants, prepare the cabin for departure.
miles program, you will be earning approximately 1,128 miles on today's flight. If you're not yet a member, we invite you to visit delta.com to join. We ask for you to please show your attention with the fasten seatbelt sign at this time. Please note that it is still turned on, so we do ask for you to remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is turned off. You are now safe to use handheld electronic devices. For a complete list of devices that can be used during flight, please refer to Sky Magazine. Approach into Fort Lauderdale. At this time, your flight attendants will be coming through the cabin to pick up any remaining service items you'd like to discard. So be sure to check in and around your seat pocket and around your seat for anything you'd like to throw away. We're going to be asking you to turn off all of your electronic devices in about 7 minutes. At that same time, our Wi-Fi service will discontinue, so if you're working on something important, we recommend you save your work. We should be on the ground in 20 minutes. Delta's pleasure to welcome you to Fort Lauderdale, where the local time is approximately 8:30 p.m. We ask for you to please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft is at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. This will be your indication that it's safe to move about the cabin and retrieve your personal items. Please be sure to check in your seat pocket and around your seat for anything you might have left behind. If you need help with baggage claim, ground transportation, or any connections here in Fort Lauderdale, there will be a Delta representative greeting this flight that can assist you with any questions that you may have. It is now safe for you to use your cell phones, however, laptop computers must remain stowed until we're at the gate. On behalf of Delta and our codeshare partners KLM Royal Dutch Airlines, it's been a pleasure bringing you here to Fort Lauderdale today. We hope you've enjoyed your flight. And we hope that when your future plans call for air travel, you once again find it a pleasure to choose Delta. Thank you and have a great night.